everyone, good morning, welcome back to my new vlog. So this is my haggard face. My face is getting red or pinky because it's sunny here, so hot. And then now I'm gonna be washing the clothes of my baby. Ayan, there you go. With hands because there is no washing machine here where we're staying. So these clothes we bought yesterday and I need to wash because this clothes is a summer clothes for my baby, and I need to wash with my hands. So now very budget for our washing our clothes. This is a bucket and I put. So this is a Filipino ways to wash. I said, oh, I don't want to show my face because I have no bra. I'm very shy. Oh, just like this. I have no bra because I need to take a shower.